hear the click? Well, anyway, first it was my furnace, then my hot water tank, and now my fridge. It stopped cooling. It's like 64 degrees inside the fridge and the freezer. But there's a clicking sound going on. I did some investigation online, YouTube. I found some parts that I think is wrong with it. Let's hope, because I can't return these parts because they were special ordered. GE. Anyway, according to the videos I watched on YouTube, it's a start relay switch and the overload switch. So we're going to change these two parts, and hopefully that's all it is. I don't want to have to buy a new fridge or get a technician in here. These two parts were like 20 bucks. Fingers crossed. Well, you heard the clicks. It happens like every 10 minutes or so. Well, we're in the back of the fridge here, and the parts I need to get to are right beside this compressor. Right in here. Well, here are the two pieces we need to get to here. This one and that one. There's this clip here holding it in place, and it's plugged in right there. So we'll start off by unplugging it. I'll need two hands for this, so I'll be right back. Well, the clip came off nice and easy. I just used a screwdriver, popped the clip off, and this unit just pulled right out. Now I just got to unplug it and put the new one in. Well, I got the starter relay and the overload disconnected and taken out. These parts are the same. These ones, a little different. So I had the orange one plugged on top and the black one on the bottom. So I'm just going to assume the top one's going to be the orange and this one's going to be the black. Well, let's put it all back together and see what happens. Well, everything went together nicely, so alright, let's throw it back onto that compressor. Well, I got it in there, plugged in. Hopefully it works. It's not the same. See, this one was in there like that, and the other one has to go in like that. Oh well, if it blows up, it blows up, I guess. I'll just return the parts and say, hey, it was the wrong parts. Alright, let's plug her in and see what happens. Well, it looks and sounds like I fixed it. Alright, we're going to wait a while and see if it cools down at all. Yay! I've done fixed it. Perfect. Well, the fridge could be a little warmer, but that's fine. The fridge should be at, well, anywhere under 40, and the freezer anywhere under 0. So we're cooking with fire. Well, hopefully I helped somebody save a few bucks out there. Anyway, people, thanks a lot for watching, and good luck.